आजकल मैंने सोशल मीडिया में एक नई चीज देखी है, द स्मार्टेस्ट पीपल नो व्हेन टू एक्ट डम.
I remember the first time I encountered Aishwarya Rai. नए गाने all masturbation. आदमी गाएगा, लव खुद के साथ ही करेगा. एंड में औरत आएगी एक कोरस गाने के लिए और बोलेगा मैंने कोरस गाना गाया. Taylor Swift is not the only one telling you the stories of heartbreak and courtship. And thankfully, after years and years of papad billowing, Shilpa Rao got a couple of songs in Pathan Jawan. And I'm this kabutar, angry kabutar. I will confront, and many people tell me, ma'am, you have to keep your stature in mind. People recognize you. You can't fight openly. Don't hesitate in saying that nobody works as hard as me. Work 18-hour days to remain independent and not under anybody's thumb and not being sucking up to music labels to get my rosy roti.
It is people like Meera, people like Kabir, people like Khusro. Well, artists who go beyond just entertainment are my kind of artists.
Meri love lingo, love lingo, love lingo.
I've realized over the years it's not just women. If you are a person with an opinion and you like to stick out and you stick out your neck and you stand up for things and you are not going to be easily digestible. I must tell you about this. Yesterday, we have the privilege in India of having a place down our road where we can massage our head for. It's shocking how little we pay for people doing such a great service. 1 घंटा कोई मसाज कर रहा है, shoulder पे वो दे रहा है. I was living in London for 2 months and I was like, everything, no matter how well off you are, you're like, you'll think twice. Let me learn how to blow dry my own hair.
That's so true.
Let me learn how to cover my under eye. I can never. And it is tough being in any public space now because this is where the not so nice wild women come in. They are such a irritating, entitled, obnoxious bunch. And I encounter them. One is this privileged, well-to-do women who think they have done a favor to the world by producing kids.
Yeah, what's with that?
Even parents for that matter. On a Sunday you're sitting and want to have a quiet Sunday brunch and वो बच्चे को पैदा किया है तो हम सब पे वो ठोक के
बार-बार
स्टोरी बुक चिल्ला चिल्ला के पढ़ रहे हैं इन अ ब्रंच प्लेस एंड देन दे आर डूइंग वीडियोस एंड देन दैट चाइल्ड इज गोइंग रनिंग क्रेजी एंड वी आर ऑल सपोज्ड टू से बच्चे तो फरिश्ते हैं एंड इफ यू से एनीथिंग और इफ यू शो एनी डिस्कम्फर्ट बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव अ चाइल्ड यू कैन you don't know the pains of having being children. You sit in a flight and sometimes that water and that storybook is coming and hitting you and nobody can say sorry because we truly lack in civic sense. So there's this woman sitting next to me in that salon where जहाँ पे मेरी मालिश हो रही थी and she was talking loudly on FaceTime. That's the other thing. I don't know what is this in public spaces, talking on FaceTime. Should we not care about whom we are disturbing around us? Like there's spa music happening. और तूने आज बना you're going on. And after a point, and then there's his mother talking to a daughter from
across the room.
बेटा उसको cancel कर देना. Like there is this crazy in a high-end salon.
Chaos.
But here this went on. Finally, I just said, "Ma'am, do you need to speak so loudly? I've had a very tough day." This woman, and this is the new thing, the aggression that you deal with. But I was fairly, ma'am, do you need to? Can you just keep it down? मैं यहाँ पे समाज सेवा करने नहीं आई हूँ. She told me.
She said that?
And I was like, which is why a lot of people just don't want to confront. And you realize, and I'm this kabutar, angry kabutar. I will confront, I do not. And many people tell me, ma'am, you have to keep your stature in mind. People recognize you can't fight openly. I'm like, no. I said, समाज सेवा करना था तो आप वो बाहर रास्ते को भी साफ कर सकते हैं, गंदगी फैली हुई है. आप वो बेचारे को आप टिप भी दे सकते हो बिकॉज वी आर टेरिबल टिपर्स एंड
yes.
हम लोग न्यूयॉर्क में जाके कैबी को $4 दे देंगे. यहाँ पे हमें नहीं लगेगा कि हम टैक्सी में जा रहे हैं. हम 10% छोड़ो, वी जस्ट थिंक कि we'll bargain for everything. And again, this misplaced sense of this was samaj seva. When I told that woman, I said, you're a shame. And this is the other thing I'll tell you in airports. Musicians who are very successful, who have made a lot of money. This is the difference. And this is again controversial, but I'll tell it to you. Misplaced sense of vanity. You'll have a Mohit Chauhan who has done so much. He will land, he will go to the luggage, pick up his own bag. And there is something about, that tabloid culture or whatever, where people are calling paparazzi to
I was
see
coming
them
to that.
wiggle out of gyms, because it ain't happening organically.
Like, how can it happen?
I mean, एक दो जनों के लिए हो रहा भी होगा, पता नहीं. I don't claim to know everything, but I have agencies.
Probably SRK, that's it. No one else is like, for him, it's probably happening, everything, truly.
I mean, there might be others, to be honest, like
Acha,
the
okay.
more important people.
But what do you think of this culture of the airport paparazzis and gym paparazzis and salon
what is this?
paparazzis?
I've always been caught in the worst state of affairs. Let me tell you, I'll get down on international flight. All I want to do is मुझे घर पहुंच के दाल चावल खाना है, खिचड़ी. Like, I want sambar, I want that spice it. I'm tired of doing everything by myself because, you know, वो सब करना पड़ता है बाहर. I have landed up and I'm unfortunately been with some actor who's on the same flight and they have called their paparazzi and then you get caught because that person will want to make an extra few bucks maybe, hopefully. And so we had this panel discussion and conversation while we saw this Human Wonder happening, and I was going to Paris for that. I land up and I see a top-notch A-lister film actress
Acha.
who honestly I would think is so gloriously beautiful and statuesque and, you know, looks great. She should need to bother about having to take retakes because people have been called and we're getting out of the car and being shot. Coming in has to be perfect. The trench coat has to fly just that much. The bag has to be visible from this angle. The sunglasses have to be carelessly perched a certain way. And I'm watching this happen. I'm wearing this huge, you know, like arts and crafts mela type of cross stitch wala jacket, and I'm thinking मैं बहुत सुंदरी हूँ because मैं cultural appropriate representation करते हुए जा रही हूँ. But जब photographs आए ना with that perfect, I think I looked cool because I was so comfortable.
I'm gonna
in my
find
own- You were the only
yeah.
podcast. I haven't done too many because I've stopped talking to people. I always put foot in mouth.
Yeah, but you should have your own podcast. That's
Yeah,
something that I totally endorse.
Because I'm a travel fiend and I have
Yeah.
solo tripped a lot in my life, and Turkey is a favorite place
What do you
because
like about Turkey? Apart from the food.
their
part-
love for music and musicians.
Oh, yeah.
I can't tell you. And it's a perfect this thing of the West and the East.
Yeah.
Because you have the warmth of the East
Yeah.
and the flavors and the variety. So Arabic music, Indian music, Turkish music, amongst the rarest and most complex music. If I can sing very well, if I could sing, I mean, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Saab, Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Saab, Girija Devi, Lata Mangeshkar, Sukhwinder, even our Bhamri Devi folk musicians,
love
the
her too.
complexities in our music is a lifetime of learning and training.
Yes.
Yes.
I shouldn't have to be writing a song to blow your mind off or make you
Yeah.
feel that, oh, she's a credible artist. India is probably the only culture, and maybe a couple of others, where the most complex music is big in the mainstream. And that's kudos to our audience. Our average audience, when you go to a place like Ganpati Phule and you take a trip around that village or town, you will listen to people listening to the most complex music on their radios.
Okay.
And they appreciate it. And that's to say about how evolved our tastes are. We are truly not about auntie police bula degi. There's a place for that.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that's good or bad. I've enjoyed a lot of different kind of music. I can go to a DJ set and just bop on a beat.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a place for everything.
Yeah, there is.
But not to say that we can't have a conversation which is more nuanced about what is artistry, what is to just enjoy the complexity of the fact that complex music has always been mainstream hits in our country, and that's to say a lot for not only the people who are making that music. We have classical singers who are being a top main, there's Arijit who's trained, can play, he's, and every
Phenomenal.
time we've had very accomplished singers in our pop music or our big mainstream names. Somebody who can sing a great English song can definitely, I can assure you, can't just sing a आज जाने की जिद ना करो, just that आज, it's ours, and it's a lifetime of learning, a centuries of evolving a certain music type, and it's just, I think there's so much to celebrate in our complexities. So our subcontinent has some incredible. I had this music. I remember I went to Shankar Ehsaan Loy's studio and Loy asked me, so Sona, do you know any of the jazz classics? And I said, no. But Sunidhi does the jazz. Sunidhi must be doing, maybe that's her.
Acha.
And I kept thinking, why do I need to feel any lesser or smaller because I don't do the jazz classics? And then I was asked to rap on a song which was a Johnny Gaddar song, Hardcore finally did it, and I remember telling them Hardcore is a much better person for I don't rap. Those were the times when somehow I was associated with she's very edgy and she seems like she'll be able to rap. Luckily the world is better now because nobody's calling me to rap. I have a skeleton in that closet also which we shall not disclose. But by then I had reached a place of sense of calm saying kabhi nahi break mile, doesn't matter. I'll make my own break.
But you won't rap.
I'll make my own opportunities, but I can't rap. And I heard the section which Shankar was supposed to sing, Shankar Mahadevan. And I said, that's more my forte. And it could be two women, one rapping and one singing the Desi Hindustani side of it. And I put my own twist to it. But they were like, can you try rapping? And I was like, no, I can't. I've always been asked, why didn't you sing more film songs? And I think every music director or every producer or director who's sitting on this couch should be asked, why didn't you use more varied voices? Why didn't you take chances with somebody who sang a beautiful Ambar Sariya?
Yeah.
Why did it take 5 more years to get to Naina? Why is it that...
So from Ambar Sariya to
Or
Naina,
Jia Jaina from Talash. That
Jia
was
Lagena.
incredible. Sorry, what's the name?
Jia Lagena.
Jia Lagena.
I've stopped defending the fact that I didn't get to sing more songs. When I put the numbers together, numbers speak. And that's when you feel, oh, maybe it's not all my fault. Because out of 100 film songs that are releasing, maybe 7 or 8 to 10 have a female voice.
Oh, yeah,
and
that's
they're
true.
more likely to be reprise versions which are not promoted.
Yeah.
And thankfully, after years and years of papad billowing, Shilpa Rao got a couple of songs in
Yeah.
Pathan Jawan. And yeah, I think SRK that way is a cool guy. And at this stage is probably even a bit more secure. His daughter coming in and where he says, कि वो item song भी मुझे गाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आदमी के आवाज़ में, because the heroes call the shots. So, I mean, every song makes you larger than life. So let me become larger and larger than life. Because even a romantic song, let it be me. Item song, let it be me. And this was not the industry that existed 20 years ago.
Oh.
Or maybe 40 years ago. Oh my God, how many years ago? And I think when it comes to the kind of producer Lapata Ladies has, when I said Bedardi Raja, Satyamev Jayate, because you guys spoke about it. I'm like, there's one common factor there when you talk about allies. Amir Khan. I think that guy has zigged when the world has zagged. He may not, the last few years might not have been the same run. But I have seen him work as a producer. And people think in India, producer jo paisa dalta hai, some powerful, that he is such a sharp, creative mind. He's so hands-on in terms of, and such a fabulous collaborator in that sense, because be it an edit, be it what to chop, what to keep, and to keep at it. Hota na mehnat. I mean, I think that is the heart of what we grew up as the value system that, that was instilled upon us. There's no substitute for hard work. And as someone who's willing to take chances, when the world is going here, he will take his chances. And to have backed a film like Lapata Ladies, which is incidentally after the Oscars, and of course, Sajni Re has, been such a breakout song. And I just feel it's like a marriage made in heaven. When you find a producer like him and Kiran Rao, who has made such a beautiful film, and the casting and the actors and the music, which is not trying to be the jingle. It is within the film. It's taking the narration forward. I have a song called Beda Par.
Right.
In the film?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, I haven't
it
heard
starts
it.
the film. छोड़ के चली मैं घर पिया जी के साथ, नाम उनका ही बोले मेहंदी के हाथ, पल्लों आँखों तक आया, कैसे हो नजरें चार, सैया जी संग हैं तो लगेगा बेड़ा पार होए. Not every song can be sung without music, and this is one of them.
Beautiful.
But there is another song in this film which just makes me feel like it's carrying the collective hope and joy for the future of my tribe. And when I heard it for the first time in the studio, because I'm part of the music, I'm so blessed to be part of the music making process and not just singing a song. And Ram played it to me in his voice, and Ram as a composer, actually he's just very special.
He is.
You know, he has a soul. And so he sang this gentle, beautiful version of the song, and I just started racking up and crying. I was like, and there were tears of joy. It was not like, oh, I'm carrying. When I heard Ori Chiraiya for the first time, again, it was like, but it was a pain of centuries of so much that you're carrying in stories, and of the Devdasis that you know of, that your mother's story that you know of, and countless others. But now, from Chiraiya to Dhime Dhime, it's been a decade. And Ori Chiraiya, नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में अब आ जा रे. Messed it up.
Wow.
But, you know, अंधियारा है घना. By now I used to start crying. और लहू से घना, किरणों के तिनके, अंबर से चुन के, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे.
Wow.
Beautiful. Is this a lullaby?
This is a song on female infanticide, and it's about killing the women in the wombs before they are born.
Oof, powerful.
And 10 years from since this song was released, the numbers in India have changed. So it was a song for hope for a better today. And Cut to Lapata Ladies has this ending song, which is again written by Swanand Kirkare. So it's like connecting the dots there. But this tune of Ram's just you know, I think it carries the collective, the space that we have reached, you know. धीमे धीमे चले पुरवैया, बोले थाम तू मेरी बैया, संग चल मेरे रुके क्यों जिया, हो धीमे धीमे चले पुरवैया. The winds of change.
Yes.
Beautiful.
This
So
is a
beautiful,
beautiful. This is-
aspirational,
and
very.
इसका जो अंतरा है वो इतना मूविंग है. गाना आपको सुनना चाहिए. And you know, when I heard, and Ram was like, Sona, I want it in a folk way, and you know, ultimately I didn't sing it, but it doesn't matter, because when I take it on stage, I know I was born to sing this song for thousands and thousands of boys and girls to know that, you know, us being allies is going to change. Because in the end of it, in Lapata Ladies, it tells a story of, you know, we talked about when you send me that list, benevolent, patriarchy, this and that. I am not a textbook feminist. I don't want to talk about any of those terms. But here is the fact that, yeah, there are wonderful men out there, and there are wonderful, they're wonderful people in general, you know, everywhere. That coming to a very controversial thing again, because that's what I'm known for. But let me just stick to stereotype here. It's that in films, when they make the making of music, like there's this Aaj Ki Raat, which is a hit song. And I think what's really worked is not only that it's promoted so well, kudos to the producers, it's short, it has the beautiful Tamanna doing some interesting step of patting her posterior.
Is it
This is not into
It's
pop
an item
culture. I think
song.
this pop culture podcast is going to get.
Yeah, I'm not into this song. Sorry.
Yeah, no, they can't.
I
call
know
a
what you're
musician.
talking about.
I don't know this song. Guys.
Come on, Arika. I don't want to pat my bum and show you this.
Aaj ki raat, maza le le
But
something.
you know,
I know this song.
Aaj ki raat. But you know, you realize that I think what makes this song special is the fact that it has finally got some words which have some Urdu
Meaning?
words. It's a ghazal. It's a ghazal.
अच्छा
Meaning पता नहीं. When it comes to music, so आज की रात has word. It's a ghazal. It's a modern ghazal. It's chilled. It's got a great groove. Sachin Jigar, fabulous producers, music producers. But in the making of the song, you never hear from neither the lyricist or where these ghazals come from, or Begum Akhtar, or "Hey मोहब्बत तेरे इल्जाम पे रोना आया."
I love this song.
It's a rip-off.
No, I won't call it a rip-off.
It's the same धुन.
I just feel, ghazal है, genre है, और मेकिंग ऑफ द म्यूजिक पे वीडियोस बनते जा रहे हैं, लेकिन एक्टर्स हमें उसके बारे में मेकिंग ऑफ द डांस वीडियो बोलो कि हमने ऐसे नाचा, ऐसे रिहर्स किया, ऐसे स्टाफ किया कि पतले हो गए, या ऐसे पोस्ट प्रोड्यूस किया कि इन्फ्लेमेटरी डाइट से कोई इतना पतला नहीं हो सकता है. एंड बच्चों को हम बता दें कि आजकल जो पब्लिक स्पेस में प्रेशर है फॉर गॉर्जियस विमेन टू सडनली श्रिंक and then prove their gorgeousness is a scary thing.
Yeah, it's a very scary
It's
thing.
a scary thing.
But look at Ozempic, what it's done to the world.
And it's available. Poppins की तरह सब चबा रहे हैं, उसमें बाल भी झड़ जाएंगे, मुंह ग्रे हो जाएगा, पता नहीं क्या होगा 10 साल बाद, लेकिन अभी के लिए हम पतले हो जाएंगे. So it's scary. And having said that, do your thing. I will enjoy my waistline. And here's the thing. To give credit to men, let me give it. All these years, take it from me, I have found enough men who desire me the way I am. And not to say that it's between the ears and the brains and the personality. Maybe that will mostly scare most men off. But the right men are going to find you hot either ways. And I don't think it is to do with how chauda your waistline is. Those are just stereotypes which just need to be demolished. And having said that, I also find it disturbing body positivity के नाम में कुछ ज़्यादा ही अद्भुतपन भी, अनहेल्दी चीज़ भी आपको वो रील्स में दिखते हैं कि लोग हम अब 4 पेट नेके निकालेंगे, हिलाएंगे और आपको बोले बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी. नहीं भाई, अनहेल्दी है, आपको कार्डियोवैस्कुलर प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकता है. तो मुझे वो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू हैव दैट बैलेंस. बट कमिंग बैक टू आज की रात, आई एम ब्यूटिफुल सॉन्ग, ग्रेट प्रोडक्शन, कोरियोग्राफी, सबको क्रेडिट्स. मेकिंग ऑफ द सॉन्ग में सॉन्ग का मेकिंग मुझे अभी तक एक वीडियो नहीं नजर आया जिसमें गाना कैसे बना, ट्यून कहाँ से आया, गजल क्यों है. yesterday when we spoke and I talked about how for a change, please don't ask me to patriarchy blah blah, because we are in a happy season of festivities. True. Ones that have gotten over and ones that are coming, party season. And honestly, 99% of my life is outside of this. But ultimately, when I come down to podcasts or media interviews, I can understand. Very few people speak up. So everybody's like, will we? No, there's lots more. So the fun part of that conversation was, one is to talk to women who seem to have done their homework, which is such a relief. And when I'm saying women, I mean that anybody in the media space, and let me tell you straight up, the ones in regional media, Hindi media, they are much more organized. They're so well researched. And it's mostly so disappointing coming to the ones speaking in Angrez and so glib, and they can all throw around and think we'll wing it. But winging it doesn't cut it for me, which is why I'm this uncomfortable person to deal with professionally. But and guess what? Let me just put it out there. I mentioned that I want to be light and easy, which is I am very often, which very many people don't know about. And let's just have a glass of wine because, Christmas, season's greetings.
Cheers!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Happy Valentine's. We wish you a Happy Diwali. And any other festival that comes to
New Year?
Women's Day.
New Year तो आ रहा है यार. Whoa. This is finally happening. The moment on Lovelingo podcast with our dear Sona Mahapatra and Ursula and Jess and our beautiful team out there. Thank you guys.
Girls.
So, on the note of wine, here's a question for you. What does love mean to Sona Mahapatra?
Love, I walk into my studio every day at odd times, unlike Pooja, who has to make it on a certain time and I'm breathing down their back. Discipline, order. And there is this fat, beautiful cat that the watchman Panditji has. Her name is Moni. She's the queen of the building. And she has major attitude. If it's, hi, Moni. And if she is in a good mood, she doesn't have a voice. If not, she just looks at me and says, कुछ खाना तो देती नहीं है, मच्छी तो लेके आया नहीं, कुछ तो ये है, Moni verbal से मैं कर, but I feel if I don't have Moni's approval, or if she hasn't said hi to me, and every time when we leave in the night, Ram and me, Moni comes and sits on our car, and she looks at us like this is one safe space I have. Moni brings in a lot of love to our lives.
Wow.
And love. I think human beings, like Panditji, you would think, the watchman in our, he's a senior man, he's a Panditji. He's so kind, he's so lovely, he's listening to bhajans all the time, but he's a watchman, gentleman. We leave him to sleep. None of our buildings in Bombay have a cabin with a toilet. We don't treat humans who are like humans.
Absolutely.
And then we expect, but you see that all over the city.
Yeah.
That we make fancy buildings. We know this building will require 4 watchmen. We can make a gym, we can make a swimming pool, we can make 100 facilities for the residents. But we cannot carve out 6 feet by 12 feet for 2 human beings who should live in a certain way, for them to feel like humans.
Absolutely.
And
I
don't
have
have that in us.
Yeah. I have a problem also with buildings that have like a separate elevator for like help. Like, I don't know what they're trying to insinuate. Why this segregation in a democracy? Aren't we all equal, Sona? Aren't we?
Of course we're not equal.
We're not.
Oh, we're not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Of course we are not. And I say that with obviously a bag full of salt. There's so many conversations to be had where we are happy to bleed for who lost the American government elections, and we are sitting here feeling,
And we won't even go vote.
Palestine, this and that. I've had these very, I've had these people are animated about. I'm not saying don't feel for Ukraine, don't feel for. That same woman will come next to me, a very fancily tish-tosh, carry Hermes, and say, मैं समाज सेवा करने नहीं आई हूँ. We'll find these inane people who are cruel to their own people, but they're worried about Palestine. And I've had some very, very interesting experiences with the governments too. I went to a Mahotsav once, and I performed in this to a crowd of 3 lakh people, 300,000 people. Huge crowd. And at the end of the show, I've been felicitated, garland, memento. And the one thing I talked about on stage, which, you think you can't be talking when the ministers and chief minister and whatnot. I said, I enjoyed coming here. It was an eye-opener. What a great audience. The live music culture is truly much more vibrant here than back in Bombay. So many good things too. And then I do read about what are the good things people are doing there. I said the one thing that makes me feel a little not so happy today is that in these 3 lakh people, I can barely see 30, 40 odd women in the VIP side, because they are the only ones who feel safe to attend a music concert. Talking about 10 years ago. I said, I'd like to come back here. Bihar ki baat kar rahi hu. The Bihar Foundation Day celebrations in Gandhi Maidan. I said, I'd like to come back here when there were many more women in the crowd, because women and men should be able to listen to music and enjoy it. Why do we think men are some vampires who will eat them up? I mean, there's a lot to be unsafe about in many places, but that is what you expect. You're having a government show, make sure the women feel safe to come here.
True.
They called me back within 8 months.
Oh,
there was an enclosure for women. There were more than 30,000 women.
Oh, wow.
And I've even done a show during those terrible times during that कुछ अलीगढ़ में. तो मॉर्निंग में वो आया था कि देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ वायलेंस इन द अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस, एंड देन द मेन फ्रॉम द campus the men from the community have said nobody will attend, and I put out a Instagram thing saying, music has no. And then one side is telling me, "Aap Qawwali mat gana because right now it's Yogi's government." So many afwais,
Qawwali mat gana, Yogi.
मैंने कहा भाई ये क्या हो रहा है? I said, listen, music is for everyone. Nobody from the government side has told me don't sing Qawwali or don't sing Sufi songs. They have been, we've called you as a guest of the state. And I'm like, what is this happening? So I put out a thing that women and men, music lovers, please be there. There was a whole sea of burqas. Huh? The women showed up
Yeah.
from the community.
You remind me
Escapist.
of Rick Rubin. I'm sure you know who Rick Rubin is. He's an American song producer.
Yeah.
He says the same thing. Like you don't. I come first. The creator comes first, and the audience is. So I just love what you just said.
I felt wonderful shooting this video of my own with a selfie stick. And then if I had taken it to a music label or to another place like that Ghane Badra situation, they would say masroof mat dalo, ye word koi janta nahi hai. Or let's put it just for as a hook so that people get curious.
Masroof
Not to actually fit it into the story.
Yeah.
And I was like, let people go and find out now what it means. It's so lovely. So I think since then things have gotten better. Suddenly now Urdu words are being appreciated. Urdu is cool. And then the backlash is that now Urdu would, this thing, Bollywood is all, it's messed up.
It's
We have to find a place where we also know that Amir Khusro, अभी जो हीरा मंडी में सबसे बड़ा हिट गाना है वो अमीर खुसरो का है.
Right, that song, right?
He sang कृष्ण राधा भजन.
वो आशिक थे अपनी इसके हिंदुस्तान के.
He didn't write जुगनी, but when I do अलिफ अल्लाह चंबदी बूटी, वहाँ पे भी लगता है connecting to the elements.
Yeah.
Cut to when I sing शाम पिया ओ मोरी रंग दे, हाँ मोरी रंग दे चुनरिया, लाल ना रंगाऊं हरी ना रंगाऊं, अपने ही रंग में रंग दे चुनरिया, बिना रंगाए मैं तो घर नहीं जाऊंगी, धोबिया धोए चाहे सारी उमरिया, शाम पिया. सुर मैंने गलत पकड़ा, but that's also a
Powerful,
vibe.
very powerful.
And why is it that we have been conditioned to believe that भजन, वो कीर्तन, भजन कीर्तन वो आंटी लोग करते हैं,
तो हम लोग
अरे सूफी डिस्को करते हैं.
ये गलत है.
So,
ये गलत.
so which is why I'm saying we have to understand and go beyond the fact that what is wrong with Urdu? Nothing is wrong with Urdu, but it's also been years and years of being conditioned into thinking that became cool in pop culture. That didn't. So now there's a backlash and there's a pushback because there is this whole identities clashing and there is this revival renaissance of saying that it's cool even this way and that way. Both of us are cool. Why is it only one sided?
Yes, absolutely.
So I mean, I'm enjoying all of this. I go and say कि भाई आप क्या मुझे सबक दे रहे थे, so called woke journalist friends of mine. अरे आप योगी जी के यूपी में जा रहे हो, आप झांसी का महोत्सव कर रहे हो, आप वहाँ में वो नुसरत वाला ओड नहीं करना. मैंने कहा क्यों भाई, क्यों ना करूँ? नहीं अभी आपको ना दे स्टॉप सम कथक परफॉर्मेंस. समय से क्या बकवास बात है. सम फ्रिंज एलिमेंट हैज डन सम नॉनसेंस and you're making it out like you're painting everybody with that same brush. I feel UP has become safer. I travel the roads which have become much better. There are coffee shops just in front of Moradabad where men and women are having dates.
Yeah.
And there is Christmas carols playing. There is Ghulam Ali playing in the pipe music in the bathroom. And there is a food court which is better than any Mumbai Pune food court.
Absolutely.
When Maharashtra is such a rich country, I just state, Maharashtra में बहुत ज़्यादा और डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए था. We are really messed up in terms of what we receive as our returns as tax-paying citizens. I have seen UP transform in terms of safety for women in Vrindavan. I've gone back there again and again. And there, political, I am neither right nor left. I will go and travel the road and say, I'm enjoying this travel on this four road highway. I used to enjoy traveling the interiors of Madhya Pradesh. And people would say, oh, we didn't know you are Modi Bhakt. आपको जो सोचना है आप समझ लो.
आई थिंक ये जो लोगों को गलत परसेप्शन है कि इंडिया अनसेफ है, शायद पॉकेट्स होंगी जहाँ शायद हम लोग, लेकिन बॉम्बे जहाँ हम रहते हैं वो तो एक हद तक बहुत सेफ है मेरे प्रति. आई डोंट नो इफ दिस
Most of India is safe. There are problems, like there are problems everywhere. There are still places in India where you feel uncomfortable walking around in the night as a woman. and but yet I think so much has changed and so much for the better
When
because
will that change? Like, when will women not fear? Just like,
I felt just as scared in Paris. There are
Yeah,
suburbs
Paris
in
is
Paris.
scary.
Yeah,
Paris
it is
is
scary.
burning.
I felt scared in many parts of the world
Yeah.
in that way. And ironically, a place where you'd think the Middle East, the women's rights can be really messed up.
You feel
where
safe.
Yeah, that's
parts you
scary
don't
too.
can't drive, and it's just messed up, and how you're silenced. And I've had this weird childhood thing, by the way. Every time I'm walking, I have a background score.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just think, oh my God, I'm walking like in slow mo, and the birds are flying over me, and bombs are put
So I have a
and-
question for you. When you were walking into our studio, the Love Lingo studio, what song was in your background?
Or was there? Because you were humming. I heard you were humming.
Yeah.
You may not find it glamorous, but what was I humming to though? I was doing some sargams. I was doing some trills to open up my voice, but I was enjoying. I mentioned Kumar Gandharv. I think he's the Indian, the gold standard of everything soul.
Wow.
And उनका एक गाना है उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला. Go find it. Or he sings a song. Hey Bhagwan, I'm going to call Ram. Oh, Ram has called me. Give me a second.
Yeah, take your time.
And please take it only. Ram, which is my favorite? When my tooth was being cut in that surgery and I was in pain, I heard Kumar ji na, and I'm blanking out because brain fog. What is my favorite song? No, when he's a 16-year-old Radha. Savare, ai jayo, savare. Okay, thank you. You didn't remind me, but because I talked to you, I remembered. Because you're my savare. Because you're my Radha. You come late. They are interchangeable. They change gender, no, didn't they? Yeah. Radha Krishna did it all the time. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
Sweet.
The yin and yang, amazing.
So, ये एक Kumar ji sings like Radha. She's a new hot chick in town. Huh? So she's talking to Krishna, and it is so cool because I'm here. I'm seeing this whole. I've traveled that interior UP, and I've seen in some parts it's pristine. It must be exactly like when they were singing and dancing and frolicking with the gopiyas. So Savare, ai chayo, savare, ai chayo, savare, ai chayo, savare, ai chayo, जमुना किनारे मारो गाँव. बैठ के गाने की आदत
क्या
नहीं है,
क्या है
पेट
गाना?
दब जाता
क्या
है.
है गाना? सांवरे?
जमुना किनारे मोरा गाँव. हाँ,
किनारे.
जमुना किनारे मोरे ऊंची हवेली, जमुना किनारे मोरे ऊंची हवेली, मैं ब्रिज की गोपिका नवेली, राधा रंगीली मेरो नाम, राधा रंगीली मेरो नाम, राधा रंगीली मेरो नाम. सावरे ऐ चयो सावरे, ऐ चयो सावरे, ऐ चयो सावरे, ऐ चयो जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव. और आपको लगे कि कुमार जी राधा बन के 16-year-old राधा बन के ये इतने प्यार से स्टोरी बता रहे कि आई एम द न्यू हॉट चिक इन टाउन, मेरा घर है जमुना के नारे. एंड यू सडनली सी, ओ माय गॉड, इट्स Taylor Swift is not the only one telling you the stories of heartbreak and courtship and there's so much of this beautiful banter. And we had so much of this banter even in our Hindi films where we had duets. जहाँ पे जैसे ये गाना था ना 70s का है. I was also not alive when probably this was made, but when you listen to music is timeless. You can find ये जो सवाल जवाब था, I'll tell you.
तुकबंदी.
आपकी मधुभरी जुल्फ को कहते हैं घटा, आपकी, I must find it. आँखों को चमन कहते हैं.
ये पुराना
Then
गाना
he
है ना?
replies back, पुराना ही
Yeah,
है,
beautiful.
because अभी नए गाने ऐसे
नहीं,
बनते
बहुत
नहीं.
I know this song.
नए गाने all masturbation. आदमी गाएगा, लव खुद के साथ ही करेगा. एंड में औरत आएगी एक कोरस गाने के लिए और बोलेगा मैंने कोरस गाना गाया. एंड I was called to many of these chorus duets. And I would have had much more Spotify following because even if you feature in 4 lines, मैं तो राम को बोलती हूँ भाई छोड़ो या मुझे chorus ही दे दे. अब मैं Spotify following, I'll say I'll have that many. But I'm like नहीं, I want to sing a song where my voice matters.
Yeah.
So there's a song in Rais called तेरे होठों से अच्छा लगता है मुझे कहलाना ओ जालिमा ओ जालिमा. So I was called to sing this song. And Shah Rukh is there in the film. And he's a ladies man. And you are thinking कि love song है. And Ram was doing the background score at that time. So I knew कि औरत भी है, love है, they are in love with each other. औरत का पार्ट आ ही नहीं रहा है. वो अरिजीत मुखड़ा गा रहा है, अंतरा गा रहा है, मुखड़ा गा रहा है. एंड में 4 लाइन ऐसे एंट्री किया औरत ने. मैंने कहा भाई एक तो की आप लड़के के लिए बनाओगे, इट्स मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल फॉर हिज स्केल. People should know this technicality. Men and women have different scales, and which is why Lata ji and Asha ji train themselves and are in that high pitch bird register just to be able to sing with men. And the men are sounding cool, and Kishore Da is my absolute hero. If anybody said who's your favorite filmy, Kishore Kumar. And these duets and these songs, and then the Badshah, and then everybody is doing this where women come in and thoda guest appearance, backing singer. I think there's lots to be excited about in the coming days, for sure.
We're looking forward to
And
that.
there's a lot of change to be seen. And I don't think history takes a note of the bystanders, They are there to watch things happen, and then there are people who make things happen.
Yes.
So I feel I'm an artist who likes to act upon what I believe in. And just yesterday I had a concert promoter who told me that I lost out on a lot of work for a good 5-6 years because I was too much in controversy and you didn't say the right things. And he just started, suddenly became into that space of giving me this. I said, you're a well-wisher, I understand where you come from, and you deserve to be in the biggest stages. Your career could have gone here and there. I said, in terms of legacy,
Exactly. Yeah.
what I would have created is what I aspired to create. And I could have sung 100 more hit songs, love songs. It would add up to not much in my books. I will sing songs. I will continue to sing songs. I'll make my own songs if I have to. And I think India is changing. I think pompous because men can be this and they are considered to be. Women say this as she is overacting. I hear this very often. Overconfident, oversmart.
Yeah.
Stands up for herself. These are problematic things.
It is.
These are problematic things.
It's a red
because
flag
you can't
and-
be that confident. You should just mix it up with a certain amount of self-depreciation and a certain amount of humbleness. Somehow I have to make it palatable to shove it into people that I would win a race with a man or woman, not because of biologically I can't run a race and win. That's the other thing. Men and women's sports, not okay.
Not okay.
Not okay. Because people just miss out that part of things, and people make it all about, oh, you're against transgenders. No, that's ridiculous. That's your stupidity. That's the dumbing down of the world. But I want to see a world where I win an award because I'm top of my class, irrespective of my gender, and I really am. Yeah. I was the top of my class in my engineering. I won a scholarship throughout. I don't hesitate in saying that nobody works as hard as me. I don't feel कि ऐसे ही हो जाता है. तुक्के से ऐसे हो जाता है, ये हो जाता है. No, I work 18-hour days to remain independent and not under anybody's thumb and not being sucking up to music labels or 100 other people to get my rosy roti means a lot of hard work running your own team. Finding people you just too difficult to digest because you don't seem to fit into their box of what is, you'd fit into the ecosystem much better if you were also thoda bichara. India mein thoda bicharapan is a thing. I think लाचारी in general is gender free.
आपने बिल्कुल सही बात कही क्योंकि आजकल मैंने सोशल मीडिया में एक नई चीज़ देखी है. वो ये कहते हैं Okay, you should know when to act stupid. The smartest people know when to act dumb. What does that mean? Like, you have to act dumb to kind of, like, really? What is that? मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Oh, we saw it. I remember the first time I encountered Aishwarya Rai was when I'd come to write my NID exams in Bombay, the entrance exams. I'd taken a train before the Bombay riots and I'd come to write the JJ School of Arts and NID. यहाँ पे center था. हम हैदराबाद में रहते थे. She was studying architecture. She's older than me. She was I don't know which year. And she had a classmate who, family friends, very close. She looked gorgeous.
Yeah.
She is so smart. Spoke very well. Top. Went on to be, who she was. And there was a period when I remember seeing her in interviews and saying, this is not the Aishwarya I saw.
Yeah.
Because she would have to somehow be very, maybe she was diplomatic in any case, but somehow giggle a lot and giggle a lot and giggle a lot. And maybe that was her phase, but I kept thinking, she's a very intelligent woman. And but the industry she is in maybe compels her to not be just too smart. Because then, that is just, I might be wrong. I might be
maybe
wrong.
that's a good
But it's
reference to
always
what you
been
said.
what I have seen. It's like you fit in better if you could just tone it down a bit, rub off the edges, somehow enter a room and don't pop out.
And don't own it. And don't just
Respect the master.
the elephant
Never
in the room.
outshine the the master.
Whoever it is.
And there are always masters around, not mistresses.
Before we wrap up, we would love to know if there's a book from your childhood that has shaped your life and perspective over the years.
Shape my life and perspective wala book mein leke nahi aayi hu. Because it's something that I gifted to Deepti Gupta's child, in fact.
Okay.
Daughter. But I got a book that I found because I've always been traveling around. So I've changed some 100 homes, not 100, 30, 40 though. This giant book of fantastic facts was my absolute favorite. I told you I'm a nerd and I love history. I love knowing around the world, different cultures. And this told me about Rasputin. It told me about Willem the Conqueror. So from very, very interesting, where is there a country which bans females? Oh, this is just by chance I picked up. Huh?
Wow.
The answer is Athos, a piece of land jutting out of Greece into the Aegean Sea and populated entirely by monks. The monks forbade females from their land in the 11th century, and it's only recently that hens and she-cats have been allowed to provide eggs and keep the mice down. Probably the only man in history who never set eyes on a woman lived in Athos. This is like one of my favorite
Can I
books.
see that? This book, okay, I hope it's accessible because through our foundation, Evolve, which is Every Voice on Love, we want to positively impact underprivileged children by making such books accessible. When our guests come here and they recommend the book, we want to make those books accessible to these children so that they also
I think there'll be
open
many
a
more
page,
such books,
read
yeah.
a story or a fact, and like how you are reminiscing about it after so many years, and you've kept this book. It's beautiful, and I just hope that our children also have this impact on their lives through these books.
And we have been talking for a long while.
Yes,
Time
and
to wear
we
shoes
have
without socks.
had some incredible conversations, eye-opening conversations with Sona. Thank you for gracing us with your presence on Love Lingo. Thank you for accepting this invitation. Means so much to us and supporting
as
us.
fans.
Thank you for watching yet another episode on Love Lingo, the podcast. Also, do not forget to follow us on Spotify, Apple Podcast, Amazon Music, or wherever you get your audio streaming from. We are on YouTube, so do not forget to subscribe and like us. And if you want to see some behind the scenes, come to our Instagram page. It is Love Lingo Podcast. Hum hai rahi pyar ke.